Hey, Bob Carr here with the Bob Carr Show. Joining us in the studio today is the latest TLC employee, Mr. Orlando. Thank you for stopping in today and chatting with us. How you doing, sir?
Doing pretty well.
So what brought you in? How did you hear about us? I was curious.
I was driving by on the road and saw the name of the company.
Did you call and talk to Ever?
Nah, I just stopped and asked if you guys hiring at the moment.
Oh, okay. You didn't reach out to Ever first. You just came in the office?
Yep. I just come in the office and talk, asking if you guys have a job.
We're hiring? That's how you first heard about us, huh? Just
Yep.
driving by and saw the TLC sign?
Yep.
Interesting. So what were you doing before you got into working with us?
I was making fence and patios.
And some patios?
Yes.
I gotcha. So Ever right now is showing you the way of how to do winterizations, run the compressors.
Yes, sir. They teach me a lot.
You've been learning a lot the last couple of weeks.
Yes, sir.
How to do it, what not to do. Different, huh?
Yeah,
It's a
kinda
trade.
different.
It's a good trade, right, to learn. And you learn from a guy that's been doing it for 25 years. Ever's been with me a long time. So you got a good teacher there.
Yeah, I know.
He's a good guy.
He explained me when I don't know nothing. I ask him and he explained me very well.
So anytime you have questions, something you don't know,
Yes.
anything about, he brings you up to speed, shows you.
Mm-hmm.
So you like doing it?
Yep.
Okay, it's a good trade. It's a good trade. People are always looking for people to repair their sprinklers, repair their outdoor lighting. It'll always be a trade. You can't replace it by a robot, that's for sure.
I know.
You know? So that's good. So where were you born at, Orlando?
I'm born in Mexico.
So what brought you to the United States?
My mom brought me here when I was a kid.
When you're a kid?
Yeah.
Is your mom still here in the United States?
Yeah, she is.
I got you. So what's the best part of working at TLC so far? What's the best thing you like about it?
Learning how to control the system.
Gotcha. And Ever's been working with you on that?
Yep.
All the different controllers, the Hwy, the smart controllers. It's a lot to learn, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot to learn, but it's kind of fun. So I'm learning different things.
Every day.
Yeah, every day, yeah.
I got you. So Orlando, I don't know if Ever explained to you, but once we finish winterizations, then we're going to be doing holiday lights, a lot of Christmas lights. Have you ever installed Christmas lights before?
Nah.
You got a lot to learn.
Yep.
You looking forward to that?
Yeah, maybe more.
Maybe more.
Yeah.
And by Christmas week, you're like, I don't want to put up any more Christmas lights. I've been doing them around the clock, 6 days a week. So, now, but it's hanging Christmas lights is an art form to doing that. I got guys been doing it 20 some years, and it's an art to get lights up quickly, efficiently, and so it looks good for the end user, which is our client, which is our customer. Orlando, I wanted to thank you for coming in today to studio and talking with us a couple minutes.
I will thank you too for giving me the opportunity to work with you.
Absolutely.
In the company.
Likewise. And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. We'll see you next week with another episode.